Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use brake hold on Honda HR-V only way. Start with the engine running, foot on the brake, and press the brake hold button once. Release the brake pedal gently when the light confirms activation, and the car will remain stopped. To move, press the accelerator normally, and the system releases automatically. Always check your surroundings and use the parking brake when parked on steep slopes. In this video, I will explain how to use brake hold on Honda HR-V only way. With your foot on the brake, press the brake hold button and confirm the indicator lights up. Gently lift your foot and the system will keep the vehicle stationary without pedal input. When traffic moves, press the accelerator to release brake hold and resume driving. If the system won't engage, check seatbelt status and brake pedal pressure. In this video, I will review how to use brake hold on Honda HR-V only way. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a handy add-on for hands-free routes, calls, and music while you test features like brake hold. It's compact and fits in cup holders or your center console for easy access. If you find this useful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with troubleshooting brake hold on Honda HR-V only way. If the system does not activate, verify the driver seatbelt is buckled and the engine meets activation conditions. For steep hills or long stops, apply the parking brake instead of relying solely on brake hold. If a warning light appears, stop safely and restart the vehicle to reset the system, and consult your dealer if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.